All right, guys, good morning. Good morning from the beautiful Negril. I am here by the beach and we are going to Booby Cay, um, which is an island off the coast of the 7 Miles Beach. So we're going to go here and just check it out. So, see you in a few.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel Travel with Tonya, and today we are in the beautiful Negril on the 7 Mile Beach, just relaxing and enjoying. But I'm going to be doing something different. I will be visiting this small island that is about 20 to 30 minutes off the coast of the Negril 7 Miles. It's a beautiful spot. You can go there, chill, relax. I'm going to share with you all the details you need to get there. Let's get into it. Now, as I said before, Booby Cay is a 20 to 30 minutes boat ride from the 7 Mile Beach, depending on where you're coming from. It could be a little bit longer. To get there, you can either arrange with your hotel or where you're staying. You just need a local licensed fisherman to take you over there. I'm going to drop the link to the person who I use, which is the famous Captain Vincent. He can arrange for you to get there, to and from. Also, if you want to do snorkeling, you can do snorkeling. He has a glass bottom boat. You can see the underwater life, if any. So before we arrived at Booby Cay, we did a little snorkeling. So this is me getting some shots under the water. It was really nice. I mean, you don't have to do it, it's optional, but this is what I did and I totally enjoyed it. Now we make our way to Booby Cay. Now, as I said before, the ride is about 20 to 30 minutes depending on where you're coming from. It can be a little bumpy, but you know, you just take your time, you enjoy the views, and yeah, here it is. Now, it's a small island and the footage here was a little bit before Hurricane Melissa, so some of the greenery is not there. But you know, this is footage I got before Hurricane Melissa and I just wanted to share it with you guys. And they have a small little beach area at the front and at the back that you can walk through. So they have places where you can sit down, lime, you know, people cook. A lot of people there cooking lobster, fish, etc. We arranged with the Captain Vincent to prepare a lovely meal for us, and I'm gonna get into that in a minute. But you know, when we arrived here, it was a bit rainy, so we were having a little bad weather, but you know, we handled it well. You know, we were just here chilling, playing games, laughing, and you know, I got some footage here of them preparing the lovely food, and they're gonna tell us what they're making for us. So let's get into it.
So, Chef, talk to us. What we getting today?
Curry shrimp, jerk chicken, rice and peas, some steamed veg, and lobster. And some escovitch fish.
And what's your name?
Howard.
Mr. Howard. Howie. So where can we find you if you want to come to Booby Cay?
Just check out famous Vincent Glass Madam Boat. You will find us.
On Instagram?
Facebook, anywhere.
Alright, sir. We're going to check you out. Right, Jess? We're going to check you out. We're going to check you out.
You can check out jerk chicken start already though.
Alright. And what's your name, sir?
That's the famous Vincent right here.
Are you named Vincent?
Yeah.
Alright.
They put the girls that man.
Alright, Vincent. Come touch man. Alright. Oh, so you are the son? Uno no look alike. Uno, are you father?
I'm a brother. And next one, I'm a nephew.
Oh, so it's a family thing. I love it.
before you put your dish. Next, make sure you can cook and clean. No make no woman do it to you. That means if woman leave you, no have no problem. You can do your thing you want. So,
Amen. Yeah, that's right.
French fry is it best.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah.
Make them fry because they fire you.
Yep. Yes.
If you know, if there's a cook, how you can cook? Come on, that's a man.
Yeah. It's true. Yeah, I got it. Yeah, I guess Cheers, yeah, everybody in my shot. It's alright. I'll work around you guys. No man, no. That's fine, that's fine. You guys, I'm fine.
Now we spent the entire day there just relaxing and chilling, and again this is a different side of Negril. If you don't want to do the typical 7 miles beach, you can come here, relax, enjoy. You have the whole place to yourself and just take in the nice beautiful sand and water and just relax. Now again, I'll drop the link to booking Vincent in the bio, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know. I'll see how best I can answer them. And there you have it, guys, my trip to Booby Cay, something different. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you have not subscribed to my channel, please do for all your travel content. I hope you like this video. I hope this was informative for you. I hope it helped you to make a decision in visiting Booby Cay. Until next time, guys, thank you for watching.